ready to reclaim your digital space or take your videos with you offline. Let's get those Dropbox videos moved. First, log into your Dropbox account and navigate to the folder or specific video file you want to transfer. For a single video, hover your cursor over it. You'll see a or three dots icon appear. Click on it. From the menu that pops up, select Download. This will start transferring that specific video file directly to your computer's download folder or another designated spot, depending on your browser settings. Now, if you have multiple videos to transfer, there are a couple of ways to handle this. You can select individual files by clicking the small circle checkbox that appears next to each video as you hover over it. Once you've selected all the videos you want, look at the top of your Dropbox interface. You should see a Download button appear. Click it. Dropbox will then zip these files together into a single archive for faster downloading. After the download completes, locate the zipped folder or your individual video files. In your computer's download or designated save location, you can then extract the zip file if needed to access your videos. To move these videos to another cloud service, simply open a new tab, log into your desired platform, and use their upload function. You can then select the video files you just downloaded from Dropbox. Alternatively, you can simply drag and drop these video files into any folder on your computer for safekeeping or to access them without an internet connection. And that's it. You've successfully transferred your videos from Dropbox. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other Dropbox tips.